Okay guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to switch to your business mode on your TikTok. You want to switch to a business account on your TikTok, so let's dive in. We're going to check let's log into our TikTok. So here you can search for your TikTok for easy access. Click on it. Now this is your TikTok. This is our TikTok interface now. Let's wait for it. Okay, this is it.
Good girls that can't keep from falling for bad boys that their daddies don't like. Small towns that keep staying small. Old trucks, young love.
On your profile menu button. Okay, so click on this three menu button here and use it. Click on this settings and privacy, and this is it here, and you can see it here. Click on your account and you can switch to business account. Click on the switch to business account here. Okay, and this is it. Let's click on next. Let's click on next, next, and this is it. Now you choose a category. What are categories that you want to that best describe your account? As art and craft, you can see just scroll down all of this. So let me scroll down and choose the one that is best describe my work. So I'm gonna choose let's see, travel, personal blog. Yes, I'm going to there's that personal blog here. So you click on next, and yeah, you're going to add your profile picture. If you don't want to add any profile picture, just click on skip. And this is it. Any biography you wanted to add there, you can just change everything later. So I'm going to click on skip now to just be fast forward on what I'm going to teach you now. This is it. We are all set now. You can access small tools to help you grow a business and connect with your customers. So click on visit business suite, and this is it. Our business TikTok account is created, and this is the interface now. Do you see? Okay, these are things that you can have access to: your business suite and artist, growth center, your creative hub, your message center, and everything. So it is very easy. Just go back here, and I am on my business. So if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share, and comment.